Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas or Kris Kringle, is a popular figure associated with Christmas. A favorite of Western culture, Santa Claus is known for handing out presents to well-behaved children on Christmas Eve. Key elements of the Santa story include living at the North Pole, having a workshop with toy-making elves and riding a sleigh pulled by reindeer. The iconic image of Santa in a red suit, white beard, and jolly demeanor has become popular in literature, art, and commercial advertising, contributing to the festive spirit of the holiday season. Today, we will talk about 6 interesting facts about Santa Claus. Also, I remind you to subscribe to the Top 6 channel. Santa's iconic red suit. The iconic red suit associated with Santa Claus is the result of various influences and has become a recognized symbol around the world. The modern depiction of Santa's red suit with white fur trim is largely attributed to the Coca-Cola Company's marketing campaign in the 1930s. In 1931, Haddon Sundblom, a commercial artist, created a series of illustrations for Coca-Cola featuring a fat, jolly Santa in a red suit enjoying a Coca-Cola. Before this, Santa Claus was often depicted in different colors, including green, blue, or brown. The red suit quickly became popular and cemented the image of Santa that many recognize today. At Christmas, Santa Claus is the gift giver. Santa Claus is known as the gift giver at Christmas time. According to legend and popular tradition, Santa Claus spends the entire year at the North Pole, overseeing the production of toys with the help of his team of industrious elves. On Christmas Eve, Santa begins a magical journey around the world in a sleigh pulled by reindeer, handing out presents to well-behaved children. The concept of Santa Claus as a gift giver has deep historical and cultural roots, mixing elements of Saint Nicholas, a Christian bishop known for his generosity, with various folk traditions. The idea of rewarding good behavior with gifts has become a beloved part of Christmas celebrations, fostering excitement and joy among children and families. Santa, generosity and kindness. Santa Claus is often celebrated for embodying the values of generosity and kindness. The spirit of Santa Claus encourages people to give selflessly, especially during the holiday season. The tradition of Santa giving gifts to children who have been good throughout the year reflects the joy of giving and the importance of kindness. Many cultural stories and depictions of Santa emphasize the idea that he promotes good behavior, promotes positive values, and reinforces the importance of being caring and compassionate. List of Santa's good children's names. Santa Claus often keeps a list of names, naming children naughty or nice based on their behavior throughout the year. However, specific names in this list are usually not disclosed. The concept of Santa having a list is symbolic and traditional, emphasizing the importance of good behavior and kindness during the holiday season. Good by Santa Claus with Christmas presents. This emphasizes the qualities of kindness, good behavior, and helpfulness in Christmas. The legendary figure of Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a figure of folklore and myth deeply rooted in Western folklore and Christmas traditions. The origins of Santa Claus can be traced to a variety of sources, combining historical figures and cultural influences. One notable inspiration is Saint Nicholas, a 4th-century Christian bishop known for his acts of kindness and generosity. Over the centuries, stories of Saint Nicholas evolved and merged with European folk traditions related to gift-giving in winter. Santa's global popularity. Santa Claus has gained immense global popularity across cultural and religious boundaries. The image of Santa Claus as a kind, gift-giving figure has been embraced by people around the world, and his story is celebrated in different ways across different cultures. Cultural adaptations, commercial and media influence, Christmas symbol, holiday traditions, community events. Such facts confirm the prevalence of Santa Claus overall. Santa Claus serves as a unifying and endearing symbol during the holiday season, fostering a sense of joy and togetherness that resonates across different cultures and regions. Reminder at the end of the video, please subscribe the channel. Have a Merry Christmas.